welcome to another video. I'm Marcelo and I'm here to teach you how to license your MDB-USB interface. So first thing, you need to download the MDB toolchest from Qibix.com website. You can find the link in the video and the description at docs.qibix.com. Then you just need to plug your device into your PC and run the MDB toolchest application. It's a Java application, so should run in every PC. Then you need to perform connect. As you can see, we need to select the right interface. As you can see, I will select MDB-Interface CDC serial. I will perform OK. On the bottom, you can see no license available. So now you got your redeem coupon. So how to use it? So you should go to license menu, click on it, and redeem coupon section. Then you just need to paste your redeem coupon and press OK. In your case, your coupon should be allowed. If not the case, you must contact us to replace your redeem coupon. Otherwise, you will get coupon already used or not valid. You press OK and your unit should be licensed. Mine is not because I already used my coupon. So if I have a new PC, how can I use my previous coupon? It's easy. You go to license, reinstall license, and you can see license successfully reinstalled. You press OK and then go license again, manage, and now you can check my license here. When you perform these actions, you are licensing your device, not the PC. So you can use many PCs as you want. You just need MDB toolchest and you are ready to go. That's it. It's everything for today. I see you in the next video.